The haunted house is an outreach project that we do, and this year we built a new haunted house from scratch.
It's something we do reoccurringly every year or every few years on the team. But over this summer, we decided that we would start it fresh. We would start from scratch because the house that we had existing from the years past had really gotten very tired, rotten, and generally unpleasant to work with.
And last year we put our own mechanisms on that old haunted house, and then we decided that that haunted house was truly scary.
And it had gone from spooky to just dangerous, right? So what we did is, at the beginning of this past summer, we started from the ground up. We started designing based on the measurements of the trailer. We started building up the house, and we've been working on it since then.
For a lot of students, it's the first project that they've worked on. It's the first project of the school year for us, and it's the first opportunity they have to take an idea from concept all the way to fabrication. So it's done in wood. And a lot of people think, oh, hammer, nail, I know how to do that. But it's actually pretty challenging to build something that is durable. And then the mechanisms themselves often have metal parts as well. So there's machining, things that we've learned in our shop training. They get to apply it to actually something that really works, and then we're going to take it out in public and show to people.
We were designing it over the summer, and a little bit of actually building it started before the summer, but most of it has happened during the school year.
So you've got this structure that you see behind me, right? We've got this front porch, and it's a two-story structure. So up top there's another porch area, and then another room, so to speak, up there. And then on all of these faces we've got doors and windows, all the things you'd see on a normal house. And so all of those features can then be animated by our mechanisms. It's kind of a logistical and organizational challenge because we're building essentially a small house on a trailer from the ground up, and we go from planning it out all in the software, right, to actually pitching it up into a structure.
I think the design aspect is really the most difficult part, and one of the things that really sets us apart. The students truly do all of the design.
But then they go through the whole process of taking a concept to an actual product. And going through that process is really important because it's not until you get to the end that you can look back and say, oh, here's what I could have done better, and next time I will.
Building the haunted house, it's all well and good. It's a lot of fun because, you're building a house. But once it's done, it is just the most joyous thing to have it pitched up at the elementary schools or out on the freshman quad here at Gunn, and then you wait for that exact moment when someone who's not really paying attention goes up close to examine something, and then you suddenly fire a mechanism and they jump right out of their skin. That is the most entertaining thing. It's just a joy.